Right, breaking inputs coming in. Former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has been sent to ED custody by the special PMLA court in Mumbai till November 6th. That is the latest. The former Maharashtra Home Minister was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in a money laundering case after 12 hours of questioning last night. For more on this, I'm joined by Mayuresh on the broadcast. Mayuresh, thank you for joining us. The ED has been claiming consistently that it has strong evidence against the former Home Minister of Maharashtra, and now they have gotten extended custody. What details can you share with us?
Yes, Maharashtra former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has been sent to the ED custody till 6th of November. If you remember that earlier, his his two aides basically, one is PS and one is OSD, were arrested by ED in the same matter, that is a money laundering case. And now, yesterday, Anil Deshmukh himself presented in front of ED and he said that I will join the probe. After almost for 12 hours, he was questioned by ED officials and then he was shown arrested. There are charges of extortion as well as money laundering against Anil Deshmukh. If you remember, it was Parambir Singh who had written a letter immediately after he was shunted out from the post of Mumbai CP and he was given DG Home Guards post. He wrote that letter that how Anil Deshmukh basically asked the police officials to collect and extort the money from bar owners as well as hotel owners, and they were given a target by the former Home Minister. Then we saw that CBI, ED, income tax came into the play. The state government of Maharashtra also set up another independent committee to inquire this matter. Earlier, when already 5 summons were sent to Anil Deshmukh by ED, but while responding to summons, either he said that it's a COVID is there, COVID-like situation. That's why you should record my statement virtually. Later on, he said that the case is already pending in the court, and that's why once the court directs me, I will come in front of you and I will join the probe. So after lower court directed him to join the probe, he yesterday joined the probe, and now we have been given to understand that ED has got his custody till 6th of this month. So more information will come once the ED makes any kind of official announcement or official statement that what are the charges and what is the basis of Anil Deshmukh's arrest. Back to you.
All right, Mayuresh, please stay on with us. Let's also tell our viewers about what else is happening in this story. Now, the Income Tax Department has attached properties to the tune of 1,000 crore rupees linked to Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. The properties attached include a sugar factory, a flat in South Delhi, a resort in Goa, and land parcels worth crores of rupees in 27 locations across Maharashtra. Mayuresh, while the Aghadi government and some voices in the NCP have called it a witch hunt, but central agencies are going after these parties. The Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, what more can you tell us about the allegations and the action that has followed in this case?
See, Mahavikas Aghadi is of the opinion that the central government is using all forces, including the central agencies, to basically tarnish the image of Mahavikas Aghadi. If you remember earlier, according to the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders only, earlier they did try to destabilize this government by other ways, but now they got to know that the government will not destabilize. This is they have started using the central agencies. That is the allegation of Mahavikas Aghadi. So it's a straight war, because if you see the tweets of Nitesh Rane, who's a BJP leader, his tweet indicates directly that he says that Happy Diwali Anil Deshmukh and Happy Christmas Anil Parab, and there is a question mark. So it's a straight, we can say, war between the state government and the central government.
All right, thank you, Mayuresh, for getting us those updates and bringing us up to speed with these really fast-paced developments that are taking place in Maharashtra. The former Home Minister of Maharashtra has been arrested, and Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra is his properties have been seized by the Income Tax Department.